Working with OpenText ACDI. Dashboards Basics. First video in the Working with OpenText ACDI series. In this video, we will show how dashboards can help you audit and monitor events in your eDirectory. ACDI contains a list of default dashboards. You can find it under Dashboards in the menu on the left. Let's look at the OpenText Identity Manager Audit dashboard. It displays information about events received from the eDirectory and shows all the changes in specified classes. Each dashboard has a list of default visuals and search options that will help you find the data you need. Further, from the eDirectory, you can monitor third-party drivers using the ACDI Monitor. Information about events in the third-party driver monitor comes to the OpenText Identity Manager driver dashboard. This dashboard presents information about events in third-party drivers where the ACDI Monitor package is installed. For instance, we have here two drivers with monitors, the AD and a loopback driver named HR. We can see the overall information about the number of successful events, number of events with errors, for all driver monitors, for specific drivers. And we can also find more detailed information. The next dashboard is the OpenText Identity Manager System Overview dashboard. This dashboard contains general information about all events that come from the eDirectory, ACDI driver, or driver monitors. Here we can see that the majority of events have come from the ACDI driver, and some come from two driver monitors. This next dashboard is the OpenText Identity Manager Security dashboard. The data it shows comes from the ACDI driver based on information received about security events such as successful logins, login enables/disables, lockouts by intruders, and failed logins. In ACDI there is also a dashboard designed to display information received from the Workflow Monitor package. In the OpenText Identity Manager Workflow dashboard, you can see the process status of our workflows. Which workflows are processing, which have been approved, and which have been denied. Now let's go over some tips that will help you work with dashboards. Let's do this using the OpenText Identity Manager Audit dashboard as an example. On the top of each dashboard is the search bar, the quick time selector, and selector where we can check absolute and relative dates. Let's set it to today, and click Refresh. Using the timeline visualizations, you can zoom into a time period just by clicking and holding the left mouse button and selecting the period you need. Search is based on Lucene syntax, which means you can use Apache Lucene syntax for it. Or activate the OpenSearch dashboard query language. In the next video, we will go through reporting basics. Thank you for your attention. Have a good one.